Exercise 6.3, write down first problem. 2, 7. Find the sum of the following APs 2, 7, 12 and so on to 10 tons. Write down question. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. Next, exercise 6.3 లో first problem. Find the sum of the following APs. Sum means SN is find out. Sum means SN. Following APs. So 2, 7, 12 and so on. How many tons is there? 10 tons. That is the value of N. N equal to 10. Tons and word N గుర్తుకు రావాలి. N equal to 10. So taking the first term A is equal to common difference A1 is equal to A2 equals 7, A3 equal to 12. So A2 minus A1. 7 minus 2. How much? 5. Okay, how many tons? Sum of 10 tons. Sum of 10 tons. Which formula we applied? Last term is not given. So Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So how many number of tons? 10 tons. So in S10. 10 by 2. A value how much? 2. The values are increase or decrease? Increase. So R in AP. R in AP. So rightly AP. So N equal to 10 tons. 2 into A value 2 plus N. How much value? 10 minus 1. How much D value? 5. D value how much? D equal to 5. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. 5. 2 2 ja, 4 plus 10 minus 1. How much? 9. 9 into 5. 5 into 4 plus 9 5 ja, 45. 5 into 4 plus 45, 49. So multiplied with 5, 5 9 ja, 45. 5 4 ja, 20 plus 4, 24. So 245. That is the sum of the 10 terms. Okay, right there. Important. So next problem. Minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on to 12 tons. How many tons? 12 tons. So n value equal to 2. So given series, given AP series minus 37, minus 33, minus 29 and so on are in AP. So how many tons? 12 tons. So n equal to 12 tons. So first term A equal to minus 37. The values increase or decrease? Increase. Why? Because all are negative number. So big number ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ? Small number big number అవుతుంది. So A1, A2, A3. A2 minus A1 minus 33. So minus already include and also minus 37. Minus 33 minus into minus plus 37. How much increase? 4 increase. Increase got plus. So big number symbol plus 4. So D value equal to 4. So number of terms. How many terms? 12 terms. So sum of 12 terms in AP. So last term is not given. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n value S12. 12 divided by 2. A value how much? Minus 37. So n value 12 minus 1. How much D value? 4. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. 6 into 2 into minus 37. 2 7 ja, 14. 2 3 ja, 6, 74. 12 minus 1, 11. 11 into 4. So ఈ స్టెప్ కింద రాయండి. 6 into minus 74, 11 4 ja 44. Subtract చేస్తే 6 into so minus 30. 74 లో 44 పోతే 30 big number symbol minus. 6 3 ja 18. So 630 ja minus 180. That is the value of sum of 12 terms. Okay, write off. Next problem. Next, third problem, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and so on to 100 terms. So given AP series, so 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, how many terms? N equal to 100 terms. The values are increase or decrease? Increase. So first term, A is equal to A1, 0.6, common difference, A2 minus A1. A2 value 1.6, A1 value 0.6. So subtract cheste 1.7, 0.6 subtracted 1.1. So 1.1 is difference. Next, number of terms, how many terms? 100 terms. Sum of 100 terms. Last term is not given. Sn is equal n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n by 2, 100 by 2. How much a value is 0.6 plus 100 minus 1 into d value 1.1. 2 1 ja 2, 50 ja 50 into 2 into 0.6, 2 6 ja 12, 1.2 plus 99, 100 lo minus 1 subtract out the 99, 1.1. So 50 into 1.2 plus, so 99 into 1.1. So subtract, multiply 99 1 ja 99. So final answer 9, 18, 10. 1089. 1089. Next, last line is taken. Okay. Then in the right 50 into, so 1089.0 is taken and addition 1.2 and the point in the point A 2 10 9 109010. So 5 to direct multiply 2 5 ja 10, 2 9 ja 45, 5 1 ja 5. So after point 1 decimal got 0 awesome ledinga. Okay, that is the value 54,510. How much? X100. Right up. Okay, it's not point, is start taking 108.9. So mark it. So 108.9 point in the point value 1.2, 11, 10, 1, 10. 110.1. This correction. So 5 1 ja 5, 0, 5 1 ja 5. Point 0 means last fraction is not taking. So 5,505. Please correction. Write down. Next problem. So next fourth problem, write down. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on. How many terms? 11 terms. Given AP series. 1 by 15, 1 by 12, 1 by 10 and so on. How many terms? Total 11 terms. The first term 1 by 15. Common difference 1 by 12 minus 1 by 15. So both are same. 12 and 15 which table? 3 table. So find out different fraction. So 12, 15 LCM. 3 table. 3 4 ja 3 5 ja. So in a 4 5 which is table? So okay table lo raw kanka stop cheyochu. LCM equal to 3 into 4 into 5. Okay. 3 4 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. That is the LCM. So first taking LCM. Next 12 table lo 60 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది 12 5 ja లేదంటే ఇలా చేయాలి 12 into 60. 12 1 ja 12, 12 5 ja 1 into 5 5. 5 minus 1 by 50 into 16. 15 1 ja 15 4 ja 1 into 4 4. So how much d value is equal? 1 by 16. లేదు అంటే రెండు మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేసి క్యాన్సిల్ కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో నెక్స్ట్ n equal to how much? n equal to 11 terms. So number of terms 11 terms. Right now sum of 11 terms. Sum of 11 terms. So which formula use? Sn equal to, last term is not given, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. n value how much? S 11. 11 by 2. A value how much? 1 by 15. How much? N value? N value 11 minus 1. How much? D value? 1 by 60. Carefully observe. 11 by 2. So what is cancel? No cancel. 2 by 15 plus 10. 11 minus 1, 10. 10 into 1 by 60. So 11 by 2. 2 by 15 plus 0, 0 cancel. So 1 by 6. Same fraction is there. So 15, 6 directly fraction is there. 50 into 6, 90. So cross multiplication. 2 6 are 12. 1 15 are 15. ఇలా కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదంటే 15 6 LCM చేసుకొని కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. No problem. 11 by 2. How much? 27 by 90. 27 by 90. Okay, write down. Continue next. Write down first. Okay, ఇక్కడ cancellation 9 table. 9 3 ja 27, 9 10 ja 90. 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. 11 into 3 33. 2 into 10 20. 11 into 3 33. 2 10 ja 20. So mixed fraction 21 ja 20. So subtract this 13. So 1 13 by 20. Okay, write down. Next problem. Okay. Find the sum of the given below. Next to second Roman. So very important. Please observe the question. 7 plus 10 and half plus 14 plus and so on plus 84. Plus 84, not number of terms. Sum is given. So we write down question first. Sum is find out Sn, but last term is given. Last term is given. Okay. So L value is given. So directly find Sn equal to find out. Sn equal to which formula apply? N by 2 A plus L. L means last term. N means find out the number of terms. N value ikkada find out cheyali. So N value find out cheyalante using last term use chesukovali. Okay. Already in AP. Write down question or in AP. Okay, directly. How much values increase? 7 and 10 and half. How much increase? So 7 rupees undi, next 10 and half rupees aindi. The values how much increase? 3 and half rupees increase. Directly write. First term A is equal 7. Common different. So A1, A2, A3, no problem. A2 minus A1. 10 and half minus 7. Directly write. Inka 10 and half rupees undi. 7 rupees icheste enta migulutundi? 3 and half rupees. 3 and half is a mixed fraction. 2 3 is 6 plus 1. 7 by 2. So how much D value? 7 by 2 is the D value. So number of terms is find out. Taking last term. Taking last term, that is meaning AN. Nth term is 84. AN formula A plus N minus 1 into D is equal 84. So how much A value is 7 plus N is find out. D value is 7 by 2 is equal 84 plus 7 transposing right side. Always first term is transposing. Okay. Into 7 by 2. 84 minus 7. N minus 1 into 7 by 2 is equal. Please subtract. 84 plus 7 subtract होते 14 plus 7 होते 7. So 77. So 7 by 2 is a fraction, is a reciprocal of. So down low. N minus 1 is equal 77 into 7 by 2 transposing right side, reciprocal 2 by 7. 7 1 ja 7 11 ja. N minus 1 equal 11 into 2 by 1 means 2 by 1 means 2. N minus 1 equal to 11 2 ja 22. N equal to 22 plus 1. N equal to 23. Number of terms 23 terms ఉన్నాయి. Find sum of 23 terms, find out చేయాలి. So directly form Sn equal to which formula apply? N by 2 A plus L. So how many N? 2 by 3 divided by how much A value? 7 plus L means last term. How much last term? 84. L equal to 84 last term. 23 divided by 2. 84 7 how much? Addition 11 91, which is cancelled? No. 23 into 91 by 2. These are multiplied. 23 into 91. 1 to multiply 23. 9 to 9 3 ja 27. 9 2 ja 18 plus 2 20. 390 2093 divided by 2. Okay, write down. So very important. Next, continue. 2093 by 2 mixed fraction type lo rasuna. 2 10 ja 20, so remainder is 0. 9 is given. 2 4 ja 8, 1 3, 2 6 ja 12, so remainder is 1. 1046 divided by 1 by 2. Okay, write down. Next problem. So important next problem. 34 32 plus 30 plus and so on plus 10 and so on. So same last term is given. RNAP last term is given. A is equal 34. How much value increase or decrease? First A1 A2 A3 values are decreased, so common difference is negative. 32 minus 34, so common difference is negative. How much? 2. So D value minus 2. So taking last term, L or AN is equal to 10. AN value A plus N minus 1 into D. So AN means L value 10. So A value 34 plus N value find out Charlie. D value minus 2 is equal to 10. Plus 34 is transposing right side. Minus 34. N minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 24. Big number symbol. Minus 2 is transposing. Minus 24 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1 ja. 2 12 ja. N minus 1 equal to 12 by 1. 12. So N equal to 12 plus 1. How much? N equal to 30. Okay. So మన ఆన్సర్ రైట్ ఆర్ రాంగ్ గా ఎన్ వాల్యూ చెక్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఇంకొక ఫార్ములా ఉంది, జస్ట్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, D is equal last two minus first two by last two minus n value. Last minus first by common difference plus 1. ఇది ఫార్ములా. లాస్ట్ మైనస్ ఫస్ట్. లాస్ట్ ఎంత? 10. 10 మైనస్ ఫస్ట్ 34 డివైడెడ్ బై కామన్ డిఫరెంట్ ఎంత? మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ 1. మిస్టేకింగ్ కోసం మైనస్ బిగ్ నెంబర్ సింబల్. మైనస్ 24 బై మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ 1. మైనస్ మైనస్ క్యాన్సల్. 2 1 ja 2 12 ja. 12 plus 1 how much? 13. And అయిపోయింది. షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్. ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి. 10 లో మైనస్ 34 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే మైనస్ 24 డివైడెడ్ బై కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ డి. హౌ మచ్ డిఫరెన్స్? 2 వాల్యూ మైనస్ 2. సో మైనస్ అంటే డి అని గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. డి అంటే డిఫరెన్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ లాస్ట్ బై డిఫరెన్స్ ప్లస్ 1 యాడ్ చేయాలి. 24 by 2 plus 1. 2 1 ja 2 12 ja. 12 plus 1 13. ఎన్ వాల్యూ కనుక్కోండి. ఎప్పుడు లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సో ఏ దానికి అప్లై చేసినా వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఎల్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్. జస్ట్ చెకింగ్ ద వాల్యూ అంతే. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ నోట్ డౌన్. ఐ విల్ రఫ్. నోట్ చేసుకోండి, ఇది రఫ్ చేస్తున్నా. So let's find out sum of 13 terms. So n value 30. Formula Sn equal n by 2 a plus l. So n value 13. Last term l equal to 10. So n by 2, 13 by 2. A value how much? 34 plus 10. 34 plus 10. 44. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 2 ja. 13 into 22, directly 13 table. 13 2 ja 26. 13 2 ja 26 to 286. Yes, 13. Write down. Write down. Write down next problem. Okay. So R in AP. So find first n term. చెప్పిన n term ఎలా అనుకోవాలి? First the values increase or decrease? Big number, small number. So negative లో all are negative ఉంది కాబట్టి so big number ఏం తీసుకుంటాం? -5, small number -8. -8 plus 5 -3. First to last -2 30 minus of -5 అంటే by common difference -3. So -2 30 plus 5 by -3. -2 25 by 3. 3 7 ja, so plus 1 adding. 3 7 ja, 3 5 ja, plus 1. Okay, big numbers both side minus cancel. 7 5 plus 1 76 రావాలి. Okay, note down. Please note down. So our n value 76 రావాలి. Shortcut method only. Same R in AP. Okay, first term A1, A2, A3. A equal to -5. Common difference A2 minus A1. A2 minus 8 minus of -5. -8 plus 5 -3. So the value -3. So n is find out taking last term. An is equal -230. An formula a plus n minus 1 into d minus 230. So a is -5. N is find out. So d value -3. -230. -5 is transposing. Plus 5. Subtract చేస్తే -225. 30 లో 5 అవుతే 25. So big number symbol -225. n minus 1 equal -225 by -3. Minus cancel. 7 3 1 ja 3. 3 7 ja 3 5 ja. n minus 1 is equal to 75. n equal to 75 plus 1. n equal to 76. So మనం చేసింది కరెక్ట్. Sum of 76 terms. Sum of 76 terms. Same formula. n equal to n by 2 a plus l. l అంటే -230. n value 76 by 2. So a value -5 minus a value -5. 230. 2 1 ja 2. 2 3 ja 6. 2 8 ja 16. 38 into minus, both are minus, we get added, minus 235. So please multiply. 235 into 38. 8 5 ja 40. 8 3 ja 24, 28. 8 2 ja 16 to 18. 3 5 ja 15. 3 3 ja 9, 10. 3 2 ja 6, 7. 0, 13, 9. 8,930. So negative symbol is taken. Yes, 76. Write down. It's important. Okay, write down. Write down. Third Roman, in an AP given A is equal 5, D is equal 3, AN equal 15, find N and SN. Write down first problem. So next problem, in AP, A is equal 5. And the first term 5, common difference 3. AN means last term is given 50. Find N, SN. N means number of terms. SN means sum of n terms. So last term is given, that is meaning last term. So last term AN equal 50. AN means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal 50. A value 5. N minus 1. D value 3 is equal 50. Plus 5 is transposing minus 5. N minus 1 into 3 is equal 45. N minus 1 into 3 is equal 3 is transposing division. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. N minus 1 equal to 15 by 1, 15. N equal to 15 plus 1. So n equal to how much? 16. So next, Sn is find out. Sn n by 2 A plus L. L means last term. Last term anna An anna same 50. How many terms? 16 terms. 16 by 2. A value 5 plus 50. 2 1 ja 2 8 ja 8 into 5 plus 50 55. 8 5 ja 40. 8 5 ja 40 44. So S16. So write down. So important. Next problem. So write down problem. A given A is equal 7, A 13 equal 35. Find D and S 13. Write down question. So please observe. A 13 means last term. How many terms? 13 terms. So given AP. So what is given? A is equal 7. A 13 means last term. That is meaning AN. So N means 13 terms. What is the find out? D and S13. D and a common difference. S13 and SN. So that is meaning. So what is the last term formula? A plus N minus 1 into D is equal 35. So A value 7 plus N value 13. N value number of terms 13. Minus 1. D is the find out. 7 plus 7 is transposing. 7 plus 13 the 1 subtract out 12D. 35. Plus 7 transposing. Minus 7. So 12D is equal 35 lo 7 subtract out 28. So 35 lo 7 subtract out 8. 28. So D is equal 28 divided by 12. Into transposing division. 2 6 ja. So 4th directly. 4 3 ja 12. 4 7 ja 28. 7 by 3. What is the find out? SN. SN means S13. So SN equal to N by 2 A plus L. L how much L? So D value. A value how much? 7. L means last term means 35. L means last term 35. So N value how many terms? 13 terms. So N value directly 13 divided by 2. 7 plus 35. 7 plus 35 how much? 42. Addition just 42. 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 13 into 21. 13 1 ja 13. 13 2 ja 26 1 27. So finally yes 13 273. Right down. Next problem. Next important. A 12 37. Write down question. D is equal 3. Find A means first term. S 12 means 12th term. Sum of 12 term. S means sum. A 12 means last term is meaning. Last term. An equal to 37 meaning. And n value how much? 12 is given. Okay. Yes. An. N is equal to 12 is given. D value 3. A is find out. An value formula. Last term formula. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 37. A is find out. N value how much? 12 minus 1. D is value 3. 37. D is also given. 3. A plus 12 minus 1. 11. 11 into 3 is equal to 37. 11 3 is 33 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 minus 33. A is equal to how much? 4 is 3. So first term for what is the find out? Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. So what is the A? Value is 4. L and the last term is equal 37. How many terms? N equal to 12 terms. S12 is find out. 12 divided by 2. 4 plus 37. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. 6 into 4 plus 37. 41. 6 into 41. 6 1 ja 6. 6 4 ja 24. 246 S12. Okay. Write down. Next problem. Next fifth problem. Okay, write down fourth problem. Given A is equal 15, S10 equal 125. Find D and A10. Okay. ఇక్కడ A3 and third term 15, S10 sum of 10 terms. Sum of 10 terms. So find D and SC. A10 means 10th term. So A3 means A3 in AP. AP lo condition A3 equal to 15. A3 and how to write? A plus 2D is equal to 15. Equation number 1. Okay. Next condition. S10 is equal 125. Okay. S10 is equal 125. So S10 last term is not given. A and last term కాదు ఇక్కడ ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 10 ఇక్కడ 10 అడిగినాడు సో టర్మ్స్ మారిపోతాయి ఓకే ఇక్కడ ఏ n అంటే nth టర్మ్ n టర్మ్ ఇస్ నాట్ గివెన్ n అనే వాల్యూ ఇవ్వలేదు సో ఇక్కడ a3 అంటే థర్డ్ టర్మ్ ఇన్ ఏపీ a plus 2d is equal 15 s10 అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ 10 టర్మ్స్ 125 సో టర్మ్స్ వేరుగా ఉన్నాయి a10 అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫైండ్ అవుట్ a plus 90 అంటే మీకు a వాల్యూ d వాల్యూ రెండు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ s10 మీన్స్ విచ్ ఫార్ములా sn ఫార్ములా ఉంది సో n by 2 విచ్ ఫార్ములా అప్లై 2a plus n minus 1 into d అప్లై చేస్తాం s10 అనేది కాబట్టి 10 by 2 a వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి n వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ ఎంత 10 minus 1 ఎందుకంటే n ప్లేస్ లో 10 ఉంది సో n value substitute 10 into d. So ఇదే వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ 10 divided by 2 2a plus n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 అంటే 10 minus 1 into d is a find out 125. This is the rough. So 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 2a plus 10 minus 1 how much 90 is equal 125 5 into is transposing right side division 125 divided by 5 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 10 5 5 ja 25 2a plus 90 is equal to 25. Equation number. Okay. Please observe equation number 1. ఇక్కడ 2a ఉంది, ఇక్కడ a ఉంది. Which number is multiplied? Each equation is multiplied by 2 తో చేస్తున్నా. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ 2a plus 90 ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏదో ఒక టర్మ్ ఈక్వల్ కావాలి. ఇక్కడ 2a రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రతి టర్మ్ 2 తో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. 2 into a 2a plus 2 2 ja 4d 15 2 ja 30. Equation number 1. So from 2 minus 1 we get subtraction చేయాలి. 2a plus 90 is equal 25. Equation number 2. 2a plus 4d is equal 30. Equation number 1. మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఉంటే ఏం చేయాలి, మైనస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ కూడా మైనస్. 9 లో 5 పోతే 4 పోతే 5d. ఇక్కడ బిగ్ నెంబర్ సింబల్ మైనస్. 30 లో 25 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే 5 బిగ్ నెంబర్ సింబల్ మైనస్. 30 ఉంది కాబట్టి -5. ఈ రెండింటి కింద ఇది రాయండి. దీని కింద d is equal -5 divided by 5. 5 1 ja 5 1 ja. So d value -1. So d value substitute in equation 1. Any equation no problem. దీంట్లో అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు, దీంట్లో అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు, దీంట్లో అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో ఈజీగా ఉంది కాబట్టి నేను దీంట్లో అప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. a ప్లస్ 2d is equal 15. ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 1. ఇదైనా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇదైనా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇదైనా అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. సో a plus 2 into d value -1 equals 15. Plus into minus, minus. So a equal to 15 plus 2. A value 17. A is find out. Next, first term is find out and common difference equal to -1. So what is the find out next? A10. A10 means 10th term. A10 means 10th term. A plus 9d. So a value 17 plus 9 into d value -1. 17 plus into minus -9. So value is 8. 10 value 8. So very important. D equal -1 కింద 8 10 అని రాసి చేయండి. To find 10th term. 10th term. To find 10th term A10 in AP లో మా A plus 9d. A value 17 plus d. 9 into d value -1. 17 plus into minus -9. 17 లో 9 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవుతే 8. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఈ 2 స్టెప్స్ రాయండి. దీని కింద ఇది నోట్ చేసుకోండి. కంటిన్యూ దిస్ వన్. మళ్ళీ దీని కింద ఇది రాయండి. ఓకే, రైట్ డౌన్.